AI is revolutionizing the way we work, making businesses more efficient and individuals more productive. Whether you want to automate repetitive tasks, generate content, or streamline workflows, AI tools can save you time, money, and effort. Here are the best AI tools for automation in 2025. 1. ChatGPT, AI-powered writing and customer support. 1. Automate content creation for blogs, emails, and social media. 2. Provide instant customer support via AI chatbots. 3. Generate business ideas, code, and summaries. Best for writers, marketers, entrepreneurs. 2. Zapier, no-code workflow automation. 1. Connect over 6,000 apps, Slack, Gmail, Trello, etc. 2. Automate repetitive tasks without coding. 3. Example. Auto-send a welcome email when someone fills a form. Best for business owners, marketers, freelancers. Jasper AI, AI copywriting assistant. 1. Generate ad copy, blogs, social media posts in seconds. 2. Improves SEO content for ranking. 3. AI-generated marketing materials. Best for bloggers, agencies, digital marketers. Pictory, AI video creation. 1. Turn text into engaging videos. 2. Create YouTube shorts, TikToks, and marketing clips. 3. Auto-generate subtitles and edit videos with AI Best. 4. Content creators, YouTubers, businesses. 5. Notion, AI. Smart productivity and note-taking. 1. Summarizes long texts and generates action items. 2. Auto-completes content and brainstorms ideas. 3. AI-powered team collaboration and documentation. Best for teams, students, project managers. Copy.ai. AI marketing and sales copy generator. 1. Auto-generate email sequences, landing pages, and ads. 2. Writes high-converting social media posts. 3. Creates product descriptions effortlessly. Best for businesses, e-commerce, sales teams. 7. Runway ML. AI-powered video editing and effects. 1. Automates background removal and motion tracking. 2. Uses AI to create professional video effects. 3. Perfect for filmmakers, content creators, and designers. Best for video editors, filmmakers, designers. 8. Grammarly, AI writing and grammar checker. 1. Fixes grammar, spelling, and clarity issues. 2. Enhances tone and style of writing. 3. Best for emails, reports, and academic writing. Best for writers, professionals, students. 9. Murph AI, AI voice generator and text-to-speech. 1. Create realistic AI voiceovers for videos and podcasts. 2. Supports multiple languages and accents. 3. Ideal for YouTube, e-learning, and ads. Best for podcasters, video creators, educators. 10. Midjourney, AI image and art generator. 1. Generates stunning AI art and graphics. 2. Perfect for branding, social media, and concept art. 3. AI-powered creative designs with unique styles and best for designers, marketers, creative professionals. Why use AI for automation? Saves time and effort on repetitive tasks. Improves productivity and efficiency. Helps businesses scale faster. Enhances content creation, marketing, and communication. Ready to automate your work with AI? Try these tools today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit my blog website, dia.tapiwagando.com for more information.